Dr. Chris Evans gave a keynote address here at the Vail Scientific Summit, and I wish I'd met you earlier in my life because I've had a bunch of knee surgeries, and you're making some big headway in cartilage repair. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, so we're trying to develop gene therapy approaches to improving the healing of cartilage and do it in a way that's technically simple and can be delivered at point of care, so the patient comes in, gets what we have to offer, and then leaves and doesn't have to come back for any follow-up procedures. And it's basically built upon delivering genes to the defect in the cartilage that will promote the growth of new cartilage.
Why has cartilage been so difficult to figure out this problem? I mean, people tried to use pig cartilage, as I recall, and all kinds of different things, and it's been elusive.
Yeah, well, cartilage is one of the few tissues in the body that has absolutely no ability to repair itself. So we're immediately working against the disadvantage. And then when you put in grafts and, as you said, pig cartilage and all the other, there's a problem of having that cartilage fuse properly with the surrounding good cartilage, and also to survive there. So although people tend to view cartilage as some sort of gristle and like a tire on a car, it's actually a living tissue with cells that need to be looked after. And if they're not looked after, they die, and if they die, the tissue falls apart.
Has this scientific summit contributed to your thinking about this? Have you met some people or heard some things that are going to help you advance your science?
Yeah, certainly. I said we were interested in gene therapy, which means we have to get a gene into a cell. And we've been using viruses because they work very efficiently, but they also come with issues. And especially if we're going to the FDA for clinical approval. And through this consortium, I've met Dr. Bill Murphy from Wisconsin, who's developed some advanced delivery systems that we hope will be valuable in our research, so we can deliver these genes without having to use viruses, which should make it cheaper, easier, and more translatable.
No doubt you've been to lots of conferences. How would you compare the quality of people that you have here and the energy and the intellectual combination?
Yeah, no, this is tip-top. So basically, there's a limited number of very good people all in the same place. You're in a small place in the mountains, so you can't escape. And there's the social events as such that you can't help but talk to people.
Well, I congratulate you on your work. And as I said before, I wish I'd known you earlier. And I've got children that will benefit from what you've done, no doubt.
Thank you very much.